Welcome to yet another Python programming video from your GK Buddy. In this video, we are going to find a solution to one of the computer science class 11 Python programming questions of CBSE. The question is, write a Python program to accept a string and check whether it's a palindrome. As we know, a palindrome is a word that reads the same forwards and backwards. For example, noon, N-O-O-N, reads the same forwards and backwards. So the steps involved in solving this problem is, first of all, we have to accept a string from the user, store it in a variable, reverse the string, and check whether the reverse string is the same as the original string. If both are the same, the word is a palindrome. Otherwise, it's not. So let's head straight to the Python code. On your screens is the IDLE Python editor. We are using Python 3.7.5 version. The first line of code is to accept an input from the user and store it in a variable. So the input function displays please enter a word on the screen. And once the user inputs the word, it is stored in a variable called str. In the second step, we are going to reverse the word by slicing. If str is the original input, double equals here is a comparison operator. It compares the string with the reversed string. So how do we reverse it? Using colon, minus. The first colon represents the first element of the string. The second colon represents the last element of the string. And -1 represents a step backwards from the last element. So what str colon -1 does is, it creates a new string starting with the last element, moving to the penultimate element, and so on till it reaches the first element. Now, we are not creating a new variable to store the reverse string because in Python, strings are immutable. You cannot change the value of a string. So if this original input is reversed, a new string is created with the reversed elements. Therefore, we can compare the original string with the reverse string without creating a new variable. If the value of this string is the same as the value of the reverse string, the print function prints the word as a palindrome. If the value of the string does not match the value of the reverse string, then the print function prints the word is not a palindrome. Let's run this program and see whether it works. Let's click on run module. So it says, please enter a word. Let me type a word, abracadabra. It looks like a palindrome. Let's see whether it's a palindrome. It says the word is not a palindrome. Let's run again. Run module. Let me enter refer. Let's check whether it's a palindrome. So it says the word is a palindrome. Do you know which is the longest palindrome? According to Wikipedia, the longest palindromic word in the Oxford Dictionary is tet-a-rat-tat, coined by James Joyce in Ulysses in 1922 for a knock on the door. According to the Guinness Book of Records, the title for the longest palindrome goes to detartrated. So let's try both these words and see whether our program returns the right answer. So let's run this program again. Run module. I'm going to paste the longest word in Oxford Dictionary, tet-a-rat-tat. Press enter. So it says the word is a palindrome. Let's try the longest word as per the Guinness Book of Records. Let me type detartrated, and it says the word is a palindrome. We can see that the program works fine. This is one of the correct solutions for checking whether a string is a palindrome or not. Hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If you love our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, and see you again with another Python programming video. Have a great weekend.